on the bed and go to sleep. I said go to sleep. You better get on the bed and go to sleep right now. Go to sleep. Are you talking back to me? No, go to sleep. What? I'm going to count to 3. And you need to go to sleep. 1.
2.
Oh, you think you're so... Oh, okay. You don't think I'm going to do anything at 3?
3.
Come on, baby, go sleep. Come on, go sleep. Let's go sleep. Okay, good night. Say good night to everybody.
Say good night.
Good night, everybody. Say good night.
Close your eyes. Go to sleep.
Good night.
Say your prayer. Say your prayer. Is that how you pray?
Yeah.